Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home. I am back with your English speaking video for class 1, and we are going to learn simple sentences today. How you are going to use simple sentences in English in your day-to-day life. So let's begin with our topic. So let's have some examples of daily routine sentences, students, that you can use in your daily routine life. In your school, in your home, with your parents, with your teacher, with your friends. So let's have examples of daily routine sentences. So our first sentence is idhar aao. How we can say this sentence in English? Come here. Idhar aao means come here. So whenever you want to ask somebody to come to you, you can ask him or her that come here. Then udhar jao. Now when you want to say someone that go there, udhar jao means go there. I hope you understood. Idhar aao means come here and udhar jao means go there. So let's have more examples. So our next sentence is rona band karo. Whenever we want to say this sentence to our friends or our cousins or our brother and sister, so we can say that stop crying. Stop crying. Then our next sentence is ise uthao. Whenever anything falls down on the floor from your hand or from your friend's hand, then you can say like this, pick this up. Pick this up. I hope you understood these sentences. These are very simple sentences. Then next sentence would be yahan baitho. Yahan baitho means sit here. Sit here. I hope you all understood. Our next sentence is apni cheez baat lo. Whenever you want someone to share their things with you or you want to share your thing with them, then you can say like share your things. Apni cheez baat lo, share your things. You can ask also like what have you brought in your lunch? Share your lunch. तुम lunch में क्या लाए हो? What have you bought in lunch? Okay. So our next sentence is सामने से हट जाओ. Whenever any of your friend or someone comes in front of the blackboard, you can ask him or her to say like please get aside. Please get aside. Understood? Our next sentence is बातें मत करो. बातें मत करो. How we can say this sentence? Don't talk. Don't talk. Next sentence is क्या तुम मुझे अपनी पेंसिल दे सकते हो? Whenever we forget our pencil or anything from our stationery to our home, then how we can ask to our friends to give the pencil. Can you give me your pencil? Can you give me your pencil? Next sentence is, Madam, मेरी notebook check कर दो please. How you can say this line in English? Ma'am, please check my notebook. Ma'am, please check my notebook. I hope you all understood. These are very simple sentences, and I hope you are going to use these sentences in your school and in your home. These are very simple sentences. These you can you can use these sentences with your friends, with your teacher, with your family members. So start practicing these sentences in English. Practice these simple sentences at home or at school also. So this is it for this class, students. Thank you and bye bye. I will see you in next class.